Hello बच्चों, we are studying a very important chapter integration and now we are starting part 3 and this is the part 3A video of the chapter integration. And in this part we are going to see some special integrals. Now what is that special integral? Now we are studying this chapter in 5 parts. Part 1 was introduction and basic formulae. Part 2 was integration by substitution. And now we are studying special integrals, and for these special integrals, whichever formulae are there, some of those are asked as a proof in Maharashtra board. That's why I have written here proofs. Then we will study integration by parts, and then lastly we will study integration by partial fraction. Now bachcho, these are the elementary formulae you must by heart. These I have been telling you again and again. All these are required for the chapter. Not only this, also next few chapters. Now when we are studying the integration of special type, these are some useful substitutions. These are useful substitutions. Means what? Whenever in the example there is a square minus x square, we put x equal to a sin theta. Whenever there is an example having form of a square plus x square, we use x equal to a tan theta. If there is x square minus a square, we use x equal to a sec theta. And when there is such a ratio a minus x upon a plus x or a plus x upon a minus x, we use x equal to a cos 2 theta. समझ गए बच्चों? Now we will use this useful substitution for proving the special integral formulae. Which are the formulae? These are the 4 formulae. We are going to prove formula number 1 and formula number 2 in this video, and thereafter you can also see next videos for remaining derivations. So totally there are 7 formulae. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो, we have to prove this. To prove that 1 upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. अभी यहाँ यूजफुल सब्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या है बच्चों? Let x equal to a tan theta. समझ गए? How we have done this? These are the useful substitution. There is something like a square plus x square. रूट के अंदर होने दो या रूट के बाहर होने दो, सेम सब्स्टिट्यूशन. समझ गए? चलो, तो what this gives me? This gives me tan theta is equal to x upon a. So theta is equal to tan inverse x upon a. And because x is equal to a tan theta, I get dx by d theta is equal to a sec square theta. समझ गए बच्चों? A sec square theta. So I am converting this example into theta. So dx will be equal to a sec square theta into d theta by cross multiplication. समझ गए? Now with this we start with I. I means integration, what I want to find out. Integral 1 upon x square की जगह में क्या डालूंगा? A square tan square theta प्लस वो a square into dx की जगह this I will put a sec square theta d theta divided by 1 रहेगा ही इधर। तो यहां मैं a square कॉमन लेगा तो inside it will be tan square plus 1 and you know tan square plus 1 is sec square. So I will be equal to इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर कॉमन लिया मैंने, इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट इट विल बी tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1 ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a sec स्क्वायर थीटा 1 d थीटा बराबर है, सिंपल। तो आई एम इंक्रीजिंग द स्टेप सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड। इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन a स्क्वायर sec स्क्वायर थीटा 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट sec स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a sec स्क्वायर थीटा d थीटा upon 1. Now this sec square theta will get cancelled with this sec square theta. This a will cancel square. So here it is 1 upon a which I can take outside the integral sign because it is a constant. Inside क्या बच गया? कुछ नहीं मतलब 1 तो बच गया, 1 d theta 1 upon a theta plus c. How integral of 1 is theta? Because we are taking with respect to theta. Now I can explain you. Integral 1 d theta is nothing but integral theta raised to 0 d theta. So x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. So theta raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1. मतलब theta upon 1, that is theta which I have written here. Now बच्चों, what is theta? It is tan inverse x upon a. याद है? So we get the result integral 1 upon x square plus a square dx I get as 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. This is what we had to prove. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो और एक फॉर्मूला हम लोग प्रूव करेंगे. Now this is the formula. समझ गए? This is what we have to prove that. ये ऐसा एग्जाम में आता है. Now see what I do. I first simplify this entire 1 upon x square plus a square. So instead of writing the integral sign, let us simplify x square minus a square 1 upon x square minus a square. चलो कैसा करेगा? 1 upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square. So x minus a into another bracket x plus a. Now I want to make this separate. Separate मतलब x minus a plus x plus a Now numerator will not be 1. I have to find out numerator. How I will find out? I assume this numerator as capital A. This capital A is different from small a. And this I take capital B. Now if I combine this technique will be used in the partial fraction part of it also. X plus A. Now here it will be A into bracket x plus A plus B into bracket x माइनस A. समझ गए बच्चों? तो ये कैसा रहेगा? न्यूमरेटर यहां 1 है, यहां न्यूमरेटर क्या होएगा बच्चों? जहां देखिए x माइनस A x प्लस A. ये समझ गया आपको? नाउ यहां ax प्लस bx, सो a plus b times x and capital A small a minus capital B small a, so plus capital A small a minus capital B small a. Now this numerator I can equate to 1. समझ गए? अच्छी तरह से ध्यान दे दो. This numerator which is a plus b x plus capital A small a minus capital B small a, I will equate to 1 because I have started from 1. So अच्छी तरह से देखो, 1 is equal to a plus b times x plus what was the other bracket? Capital A small a minus capital B small a. We want to find out capital A and small a. Now this 1 is nothing but 0 times x plus 1 is equal to a plus b into x, because यहाँ x नहीं है, plus capital A small a minus capital B small a. Now coefficient of x is 0, so a plus b is 0, so a plus b is 0, so I get a is equal to minus b. समझ गए? Now this bracket is equal to 1 because that is a constant term, so 1 is equal to capital A small a minus capital B small a. 1 is equal to, now I put instead of capital A, I put minus b. Minus b a minus b a. So 1 is equal to minus 2 b a. So I get b is equal to minus 1 upon 2a, and I will get a is equal to negative of this plus 1 upon 2a. समझ गए? पॉज करके देखिए. So integral becomes, no, integral becomes this a upon x minus a. So a upon x minus a plus b upon x plus a, whole thing is with respect to x. समझ गए? अभी a का वैल्यू में डालेगा 1 upon 2a, so integral becomes integral 1 upon 2a into bracket x minus a plus b का कीमत कितना है? minus 1 upon 2a. So minus 1 upon 2a into bracket x plus a. This entire thing is with respect to x. So now see what happened. This 1 upon 2a, ये 2a from denominator comes outside. 1 upon 2a integral 1 upon x minus a plus minus, this minus you have to write not plus. So this plus becomes minus. अच्छी तरह से याद रखो बच्चों. Many times people forget this minus. 1 upon x plus a with respect to x. Now I can make this separate, but 1 upon 2a will be common to all. So in big bracket, integral 1 upon x minus a dx minus अभी इतना ज्यादा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड. इंटीग्रल 1 upon x plus a dx. याद रखो बच्चों, फॉर्मूला इनटू ब्रैकेट log x minus a divided by coefficient of x is 1, so I need not write, minus log of x plus a divided by coefficient of x which is 1, I did not write. इंटीग्रल साइन गया तो यहाँ कांस्टेंट आया, so it will be 1 upon 2a log of this minus this, मतलब log of this upon this, x minus a upon x plus a plus c. This is what is the answer which we had proved. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो, थैंक यू.